On Sunday, May 30th, 2022, a family went into the mountains. There they were terrorized by an unknown creature. They survived, but the scars remained. Here is the video evidence of this event.
What kind of bird are you, buddy? Are you a blue grouse? Ah. Here, stick your... It's still recording. Let's see if you can record him.
There he is.
Is that a blue grouse? We're gonna go look that up when we get home.
I don't know. He doesn't look blue to me.
It's beautiful.
He's got like, looks like red eyeshadow.
He's a red-eyed grouse. Alright.
A red eye grouse. Yeah.
That's a red-eyed grouse.
Yes.
What are you doing, bud? Doing like a mating thing.
I'm kind of scared.
No, he's just cool.
He's like following me around.
I love that noise.
I really want to pet it.
Ouch!
I knew it was gonna hurt.
It is kind of aggressive. Maybe I just backed over its eggs. Come here.
Yeah, this must be a nest or something.
Come here. You're something else.
He's coming toward you.
That's so funny. Take him over to your mom and see what.
No. Please no. I don't want him by me. He doesn't like you. Get
That's
away
something
from
else.
him.
That is something else.
He does not like you, so get away from him.
I think his nest or her nest must be right here. All right, come on this way. What do you think, Eli? That's something else.
He's gonna get you.
That is some kind of bite.
Bite you again?
Yeah.
Get away from him.
I know. He's like, he doesn't like you.
It's a beaut.
Okay, where are we going?
All right. Here, Raya, it's already videoing me. So, video my new pet. Come on, buddy. So see, you finally got pictures of me. Come here, little guy. I'm gonna get you though. I think I'm gonna catch you real quick. Oh gosh! I missed his legs.
You asshole. Oh my gosh.
He's like, get away from me.
So, ouch! That's a good bite.
Watch your eyes.
I've got it. So, come here and get a good video of it. So there you go. That's the nature boy, Damon Bramall.
Don't over that way, honey. Not over here. Oh my gosh.
You're evil.
I thought it would fly.
Attack him.
He's like that guy.
All right, come on. He's harmless, except for it hurts. But
Look, he's laughing at you.
Okay,
all right.
here you go.
Still videoing?
Yes. I don't know how to turn it off.
He's still not.
He still likes us.
You're still pretty angry.
Yeah. He's
What do you think, buddy? This bird's silly.
Is he smiling? Oh, he's like, you see?
He is. It's like a goose.
Get pinched.
All right,
Get
keep.
away from me.
Go that way.
How about you stay behind me?
Oh, that's so funny.
Stay behind.
Oh my gosh, that bird is silly. I've never had this happen. I swear.
Sorry, it was him. It was him. Get him.
No, no. So look at all the green. We're looking for this. It's like copper ore on the ground, and but now the bird's like messing with us too much. Okay. So stay away from this hole. I don't know why. I think it might be like a sinkhole. I think I read somewhere it's dangerous. Oh, that's the shaft over there. Here's something else, buddy.
I wonder if it's a boy or a girl.
I don't know. Definitely don't care for us.
Whoa, David, get away from me.
So
Away from us.
look at it. It's like that used to be a hole.
Oh, I see it. See the blue on there?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Shaft here.
So there's Danger Mine Shaft.
It's only funny that the bird likes us. Yeah, I'm one of you. I'm one of you. No need to attack me. Yeah.
Very angry mountain grouse of some sort.
Okay, you're getting too close to me.
Alright, go by, go by. Come on. Get out of here. I'll cover you. This guy is something else. He's just sticking with it. I've never seen one aggressive like that. Seems like he's starting to get tired of us. Starting to get tired of us yet?
Don't worry, we'll visit. I'll leave stuff by his nest.
He's starting to go in the forest a little bit. He's going to ambush us up here. He's got the higher ground. He's got the higher ground. He's going to ambush us.
The arrowheads and stuff out of, honey. With this rock.
Oh, that's really cool.
That's a cool rock, huh? Can you grab that one?
That is really neat.
How about we grab half of it?
No, pick it up. No. Oh, bird. You crazy bird.
And we're supposed to throw this at him?
No,
I'm just
I
kidding.
want to keep that one.
Just kidding.
No.
All right, go by. Get something else, buddy. I don't know. I haven't had this much fun in a while. I think that's got some moss or something
No.
on it.
Too close for comfort.
What are you gonna whap them with your branch? That's your.
He's gonna get you. You gotta use your branch.
You gotta use your branch, honey.
You gotta become a.
Okay. Oh, honey, he's just scared. Quit. Get him down the hill. Get that damn bird down the hill.
Araya, go by.
Here.
I didn't know if you were talking.
Fine. That's a bird.
It doesn't even draw blood.
It does, though.
Maybe on your little tender skin. Bird from hell. He just flew up here and I had to take another picture of him because I'd never seen this before. He just really hates us. It's something else. All right, I'm getting out of here. Bye, bird. Sorry.